Hey everybody, welcome back for another Tumbler sublimation tutorial. Are you guys having any issues getting your image to print the correct size, whether it's coming out too big, too small, it's just not fitting? I found an app that works really well. It's called Inkscape. It is a free downloadable app. You can download for Windows or Mac or whatever system you're using. It's been really helpful and it prints accurate sizes for you. Before we go ahead and boop that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video if you find it helpful so that others can get help also. So we're going to go into the start window here. You'll see Inkscape, there's a spelling for you, and the little icon that's associated with it. In the main image window here, you're going to see this little box. Pretend this box is your paper because that's basically what it is. You're going to bring your image here, which is just an image that I uploaded so I could show you guys what I'm talking about when I'm sizing. So you're going to move that and hover it over your little paper box here. Note that anything on the outside of this box, it's not going to print. So you'll have images that are cut off on the side. How do we fix that? Let me show you. We're going to move that back out, go up to File over here, go down to Document Properties, and you'll have a little window here that pops up. Click on the page. Display units are in inches, and page size. This is really important because this is the size of paper that you're using to print your image on. If it's too big, it's not going to look right. Too small, you're not going to get the correct size image either. I like to use 8.5 by 11 because that's what I use. But there's a tons of presets that you can use or choose from. And there's also customized sizing. You can also customize whatever size of paper you want to use. Over here, you can do orientation. Generally, I print out in landscape, so I'm going to go ahead and move that and change that to a landscape format. You'll drag your image back on over. And now you can see that it does fit into that box. This image here is already set at a 9.3 by 8.2, but I do like to adjust my size to a 9.33 by an 8. So that'll be how it looks in that paper, in that page. Do note, again, just remember, if this is how you place your image, half this image is going to get cut off in your print. It has to be in the box or it will not print correctly. Okay, so how does it look? You can go ahead and do a print preview and print. Go to the printer that you're going to use, push print, and it'll show up with a print preview. It's going to show exactly how the image will look. And you can see that this here, the preview, looks like the Inkscape image. It looks the exact same thing, and that's exactly how it's going to print out for you. And then you'll just push print, and you should have an image that is sized perfectly for your fit. If you have any comments, questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, boop the like button. Subscribe to help support the channel, and again, share for others so that they can get the helpful information as well. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.